paper helicopter is one thing which every child enjoys. Children make rockets from paper, aeroplanes from paper, helicopters from paper, and then they throw it, they release it, and it moves in different ways and children enjoy. But if you also know what is the science behind it, then your enjoyment can be doubled. So today I will be showing you a paper helicopter and also telling you how it rotates, how it moves, and what kind of physics is involved in that paper helicopter. So here it is. You can see the two sides. One is painted red, another is painted blue, and I'll release it from here and focus on how it rotates when it falls down. When I release, it will come down and it will also rotate, and you have to focus for all that rotation of these two wings of this helicopter. So you have seen so it falls down due to gravity, that is fine, but while falling it rotates in a particular way, just like the fan of the helicopter above it rotates when it moves. So I'll show you how to make it, but and also what kind of science is there, but it's very simple design. The two wings and these two things. Now I am just interchanging the that bent of those two wings, and now I am releasing it. So did you observe any difference in the rotation? It was rotating in the opposite direction than the previous ones. Then the wings were bent in one way, it rotated in one direction, and when the wings were bent in the other way, it rotated the other way. So see once again and focus on the sense of rotation, this way or that way. How does it rotate? So look at that. Okay, so it rotates but in the opposite direction than the previous one. Once again I flip the bent, this side goes that way and that side goes this way, and I release. So once again it is the rotation in the same previous direction. So just by changing the bent of the two sides, the sense of rotation changes. Now I show you the design. Design is extremely simple. You just take a rectangular piece of paper, simple paper, and then you make some cuts in that paper. One cut here vertical, here use a scissor to make a cut of say 2 to 3 centimeters in this rectangular piece, another cut here, and the third cut on the other side here, but leave some junction point intact. Things should not come out completely. So all these three pieces are joined at the junction. Joint means they are part of the same piece of paper. You have made the cuts so that they remained joint there. Then this lower portion, just fold it from the two sides, and then the whole thing once again to make it sturdy. So that is this, and then bend it one side and bend the other side, and the helicopter is ready. That's it. And you make it fall, and then look at the rotation. Okay, so that is how it is made. Simple design, every child can do it, and then see the rotations. Now come to the science, why it rotates and why the sense of rotation changes when you change the inclination of the two sides. And for that you have to know little bit about the pressure of air. When it comes down, then the air below that is pressed. Air below these wings is pressed, and when it is pressed, then the pressure here increases because of falling helicopter. Because of increase in that pressure, the air here is exerting more force. Below the wings, that air is at a higher pressure, and therefore it exerts a more force on that part of the helicopter here, and the wings are at different places. So this side of air pushes it in one direction, here it exerts a force, larger force, and the air which is below the other wing, that pushes it from here. So from two positions of this horizontal portion of the near the junction, the forces are acting in opposite directions. The air below the red one, that is pushing it one way, and air below blue one pushes it the other way, and hence it rotates, that rotational motion. When I flip the bend of the two wings, then now the pressure here pushes it in the direction opposite to the previous one, and similarly from the other side. So whatever is the torque motion, the rotational motion, that is in the opposite direction. So just change the bend of these wings, and the direction of rotation will change. So make helicopters, enjoy physics, enjoy science, and enjoy helicopter.